welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and powerful helicopters in military aviation, the AH-64 Apache, specifically the 2026 upgraded version. The AH-64 has always stood as a symbol of strength, speed, and cutting-edge battlefield dominance. In 2026, it's back with some seriously enhanced features that make it even more deadly, smart, and reliable. The Apache has served armies across the world for decades, especially the US Army, where it has proven itself in countless combat zones. But in 2026, the AH-64 gets an impressive upgrade that takes everything to the next level, starting from its radar system, onboard AI capabilities, weaponry, and even pilot comfort. Let's talk about the design first. On the outside, it still looks menacing with its sleek black armored body, dual rotors, and fearsome mounted weapon systems. But now, it includes composite rotor blades that are lighter and stronger, increasing both agility and fuel efficiency. The entire body has been refined with stealth coatings to reduce radar signature, allowing the AH-64 to approach targets more silently. Inside the cockpit, the upgrades are game-changing. Pilots now benefit from a new-gen helmet-mounted display system. This allows real-time targeting data, enemy position mapping, and thermal visuals all directly into the visor. The two-person crew, usually a pilot and a gunner, now gets AI assistance that helps manage weapons, analyze threats, and even recommend evasive maneuvers in real time. That means faster decisions and smarter engagements. Speaking of weapons, the 2026 AH-64 brings serious firepower. It still carries the legendary M230 30mm chain gun mounted under the fuselage. It's fast, accurate, and deadly against infantry, light vehicles, and even fortified positions. But now, the Apache can carry a wider range of modern guided missiles, like the new generation Hellfire X and Skyfire IR, with increased range and precision. It also includes an electronic warfare pod, which can jam enemy radars and even disable drones. Mid-air. Another key update is its upgraded longbow radar system. The 2026 model now includes advanced target tracking up to 30 kilometers away, even in rough terrain or poor weather. That means the Apache can now locate and lock onto enemy tanks, armored convoys, or aircraft even before they see it coming. One of the most exciting features of the 2026 version is drone coordination. The AH-64 can now communicate and control nearby UAVs, sending them to scout, paint targets, or even launch attacks. It becomes a flying command center, capable of coordinating an entire aerial assault with precision and safety. The helicopter's survivability has also improved. New defensive systems like flares, chaff, and infrared countermeasures are now paired with AI-based threat recognition. If a missile is incoming, the system will deploy countermeasures and alert the crew automatically. The reinforced cockpit armor offers greater protection, especially in low-altitude attacks or urban combat scenarios. And of course, the powertrain got a boost too. New twin engines deliver higher horsepower, giving the Apache faster acceleration, greater lift, and extended flight time. Whether it's desert, jungle, or mountain operations, the AH-64 can now go further, climb higher, and engage faster. In terms of missions, this helicopter can do it all anti-tank strikes, air-to-wire engagements, close air support, recon, and command coordination. And thanks to the modular weapon bays, it can be quickly refitted for different types of missions in a matter of hours. The AH-64 in 2026 isn't just a helicopter, it's a smart, versatile flying weapons platform built for modern warfare. Whether in joint force operations or solo missions, it continues to dominate the battlefield with unmatched speed, power, and precision. So that's your look at the 2026 AH-64 Apache, refined, rearmed, and ready for any challenge. Don't forget